Hey guys, today's video is going to be on showing you how to make a iced caramel macchiato at home. You're gonna need a few things. So you're gonna need 2% milk, vanilla, and you can actually buy vanilla at your local Starbucks if they have some available. You'll need ice, some sort of way to get espresso. I have a Verissimo machine and I just use Verissimo espresso pods. And of course some caramel. So let's get started. So first thing I want to do is go to my Verissimo machine and I want to make sure that it's rinsed and ready to go. So it's empty and it's already been rinsed. So next thing I'm going to do is just start out with a glass, and if you're going to take this to go, you could definitely put it in a to-go tumbler, cup, whatever. This is how I like to drink it when I'm at home. So first I'm going to take my vanilla. This I would say is about, I'm going to make about a tall size, which is 12 ounces. So first I'm going to pump in my vanilla. And each pump is equivalent to about 1 tablespoon per pump, if you don't have a pump at home. Next, I'm gonna add in my milk. And I like a lot of ice in my drink, so I leave quite a bit of space. Now I'm gonna put in my ice. And leave about 1 inch of room for space for our espresso shots. So now I have this ready to go. All I have to do is fill in my espresso shots. I like to use the blonde espresso. So I just put that pot in, close it up, and I'm gonna push this button right here to get it going. So now that shot is ready. I'm going to take it. Looking good. And I just pour it on top. Next, I grab my caramel and drizzle it on top. And that's it. So you can make your own caramel macchiato at home. It's easy, fast, it only takes about 5 minutes.